Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to log out of Google account from all devices. To sign out of your Google account on all devices, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to open any Google services that you can go. So I'm going to just open this Google itself and click on the initials from the top of the page and go to manage your Google account. As you click on the manage your Google account, there comes the security and sign in section. Now, what you need is basically, you can just go ahead and scroll down a bit. And on this page, you could see your devices, right? So you could just click on the devices that the session is going on. And you could see that these are the devices that's currently logged in. Now, what I want to do is, if I want to log out of all the devices, you could simply go ahead and click on sign out from a manual, or manually you could do this, and you can accordingly go ahead and sign out of each devices. And likewise, if you don't want to do this procedure, or if you're unable to find this particular solution, then next what you could do is basically you could go ahead and change your password. That might be able to help. So these are some of the ways you could do. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.